I told you, every single week, I'm going to show you something, just a different scanner that's going to help you no matter if you're advanced, beginner, or don't know anything about trading. You can come in here, copy, paste, profit, and then go back and start learning. So it's kind of like that earn while you're learning, right? But let me show you. So right here, you're looking at my screen. When you're looking at my screen here, this should look familiar from last week. Remember last week, the scanner we went over was colors. When you're looking at colors, it's simply you lining up colors. What does that mean? Green means buy, red means sell. Keep it nice and simple. So just a quick review before I show you the new scanner here. So when you look in here, all right, we're going to pay attention to this lovely green box. Let me get an arrow. Find me an arrow here. You know I like to draw. All right, see here, this lovely green box? Boom. So you're looking at this green box here. I'm going to draw it here. All right, green box means buy and red box means sell. We went over this last week. So when you're looking at this and you know your green box is buy, so you know, I'm just going to look back here, you know that you're always looking for a buy coming out the green box. If it was a red box here, you'd be looking for the sell. And all you're going to do is line up your colors. So all I want to do is show you a vertical line here. And you see it gives us arrows, right? EC, for my people that like trade price action, that's engulfing candle. Right here, it gives you an arrow, a green arrow, which means that you're buying. Okay, so when you click here, a rough vertical line here, we're going to line up the colors. That's it. So you come down, you got your green box, right? Boom, check one. Check two, we want to look at, remember last week we talked about our time frames. So right here, green means buy. Another green time frame means buy. All these are different time frames. So instead of me having to switch from chart to chart to look at the different time frames, it's all right here in one section. So the top section is always your 4-hour time frame. Okay, then you come down here, these are your current time frames. So now I don't have to go back and look to see what the overall time frame is because it's right here on my chart. Then I want to come down a little further. Right here, this green line here. Notice I said this green line, green arrow, green time frame, green line. Are y'all seeing what's happening here? Plus we had a green arrow. I wonder what should we do? In the comments, because you'll be watching the recording, let me know what you think I should do. Should I be doing a buy or a sell? But cheat code alert, I'm going to already tell you, you're going to be looking for a buy. And then it comes down even further here. Look at these areas here. This is for your to see, or the buys or sells in the market. Right here is green. So you mean to tell me that I saw a green box, being an average beginner, right? Don't know anything about trading. I know that green box, okay, I know I'm looking for a buy. I know this. I'm gonna click the buy button, but I need to make sure for extra confirmation, I need some extra signs. So what I'm gonna do, right here, green box, boom, check, buy. I want to look for an arrow too though, because I want to make sure, when I get in this trade, I want it to be over 90% accurate when I get in. Let me see if I can find an arrow the same color as the box. Boom, there we go. 2 confirmations, a green arrow. Now we're going to come down to the second part here. I want to make sure that all my time frames are green. What are they? All green. Boom, 3 confirmations. But to make it even more sweeter for you, let's come down a little further. Right here, I want to see a green line. If I can get a green line, that's 4 confirmations. I don't know about you, but I'm not good at math, but I do know anything over 3 is pretty good confirmations. So boom, let me see, green line. Oh my God, that is 4 confirmations. But let me make it a little sweeter, because I could have still took it, but I want to make sure that it's good. Because when we eat around here, okay? So it ain't just, baby, no. We seriously get some, I just call them pips. Remember what pips are? The steps that the market's moving in. So we got 4. Oh no, I didn't hold it like that. There we go, 4. Come down a little further, boom, 5 confirmations, 5. So what does that mean? What are we gonna do? We're going to press I'm gonna type it in. All right, I'm just typing in because I want to make sure everybody knows this. We are going to buy. Why? Because we got 5 confirmations. So when I press that little button, it's going to be on that free app called MetaTrader 4. I press that buy button. What happens? It shoots up. Oh my goodness. Then okay, it shot down a little bit. Okay, it happens, right? But then look what it did again. It shot back up. And then me knowing how to get out the market, as soon as I saw all these lovely red arrows come in, it's telling me to do what? It might be possibly time for a sale. So what would I do? Go ahead and snatch my profits. But I was able, let me get my little ruler here, to get in, right? Or you could have gotten in down here and ride it up. Look at that. Look at these numbers here. See those numbers? 848. Keisha said that I can invest a little 10 cents in the market. This starting to make a lot of sense even for my beginners, because all you have to do is match the colors. Boom, green box, check. Ooh, green arrow, check. Ooh, come down a little further, more green, check. Come down a little further, another green, check. I don't know why I keep doing my 4 like that, right? I don't know, it just feels right now. Then come down a little further, 5 green checks. Mind blown. And that was just from last week. So if you didn't watch the full last week recording, make sure you go back and watch that. So if you thought this was spectacular, because remember, right here in this academy, there are scanners for every single type of trader. So maybe like, I don't know how to match colors, Keisha. I don't know, I can't do that. Cool, I got something else for you. So this week, we're gonna go over what I love here is pivots. Okay, it simply is identifying everything for you. But of course, every week we're gonna go over colors, because that's, to me, that's the most simplistic one. But right here, I already know this is our pivot scanner. So it's looking very complicated. I know, because remember, I do this trading for beginners. So I'm gonna come over here. All I'm gonna do is come down. I want it to be simple. I don't even want you to look at this right now. We're gonna click on this one right here. Because remember, I want to make it where you come into this academy and you earn. Okay? So let's come over here. I got some pairs over here. Let's look at some of these pairs. Let's see if we can find a good one here. Boom. All right. So remember, over there on colors, we matched up arrows, right? It's pretty much the same concept. So right now, this is the second scanner I'm showing you. The first scanner matched up colors, right? And it gave you arrows. This scanner, you look for the arrows. First scanner, colors, and it also shows you arrows. This scanner shows you arrows. Are you seeing the trend here? Are you seeing it? Okay. If you can identify shapes, you can come in here and trade. And then for those that are like, hey, I want to learn this, once you start to earn, you go in and you learn it from our academy. So the academy is not only going to show you the cheat code, but it's going to show you why the cheat code works and how to create your own cheat code. Somebody's paying attention. So when I come over here, all I'm looking for is the arrow. So I want to look at, put a vertical line here. Boom, so you can see the arrow. Make that red. Let's color coordinate this here. Boom. I want to make that a little thick. Might not be able to see too well like me. So right here, see this lovely arrow here? Oh my gosh. You see these lovely, we're gonna say stars. I'm keeping it nice and simple because in the academy, it's gonna teach you all of it. So don't worry, I'm not here to teach you. I'm here to show you, okay? Show you that it works. So right here, it's the arrow. Boom, lovely little stars, or you can call them little pluses. Okay, that's on top of my arrow. Okay, boom, I mean, it's probably pushing it down. I'm come down here. I see a red line, yellow line, blue line, just looking at the scanner. Okay, red. I know she said red means sales. I got a red arrow, right? I got a red line that's on top. Okay, cool. So let me come down and see if I can get some more confirmations. Come down again. Oh my God, that's another red arrow. 1, 2, 3 confirmations. I come down again. Those little boxes she mentioned on that color scanner. Look at that. They're all red. So they're all red. So what should I be doing? Uh-oh. Cheat code alert. Cheat code alert. Here we go. I should be selling. So imagine you came in here and you just, boom, saw this triangle pop up. You was like, okay, I'm going to get in, grab me a couple of pips real quick. Boom, got in, and it dropped down. Drop down, you know, you got a few pips in there. That's in 12 minutes. Remember what we talked about last week? What you can do in 12 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, doesn't matter. It's all about that change in lot size. Lot size is how much you're investing into the market. Remember, so you can invest a little 10 cents and how much you could possibly make. No income guarantees, because I don't know if you're going to follow these simple instructions, right? Simple, copy the instructions, right? Utilizing a free app called MetaTrader 4. So we're paying attention, all right? Whoever watches this recording, make sure you comment below. MetaTrader 4, free app, download, okay? Keep it nice and simple. So boom, you did that. But it also tells you what your target could be down here. So it possibly could be going down here. But just in case, because we know we cannot 100% predict the market, what happens if it goes backwards? Look at this, stop loss. We haven't talked about that yet in 2 weeks we've been doing this, but a stop loss protects your accounts. So if you come in investing as little as 10 cents into this free app called MetaTrader 4, utilizing these lovely tools that we have here in the IM Master Academy, and say for instance, okay, the scanners, you know, the AI systems, they're like, hey, just in case, we don't want you to lose your full 10 cent, your full dollar, your full $5, how much ever it is you invest to the market, we have a stop loss here. So you will never be blowing your account. What is blowing the account? Losing all your money out your MetaTrader 4. There's no way, unless you just what we call over leverage. But we always put stop losses in place. So not only, okay, because remember, I'm trying to keep these videos under 20 minutes for my Thursday Forex, you know, money vibes, okay? So right here, we lined up colors. confirmations. And then we came over here to another scanner, pivots, and we lined up technically colors again. So it's all about how simple do you want it. Do you want it this simple? Boom, 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 boom. Or do you want it this simple? Boom, boom, boom. Like, it's in your hands. Because the only thing that I can't do, I can't come over here and show you how to utilize this. I can direct you into the I Am Master Academy so you can get the background and really learn how to trade. So not only will you always be copying, but you're learning. And when you're able to learn, you're able to pass that down. I'm going to say that one more time. Not only are you copying and pasting, but you're able to learn why you're copying and pasting. So no matter what happens, your goal is to always know how to trade, because nobody can take that from you. But the choice is in your hand, because you can choose whether you want to line up colors, whether you want to see what the arrows are and then line up colors that way. And then there's so many other scanners. So like I said, on the next couple of weeks up until December, I'm going to be going over all the different scanners that we have. But I'm not going to be going into detail, because remember, I'm not teaching you. Whoever shared this video with you is not teaching you. The Academy teaches you, right? So if you want access to these scanners, you want access to our personal trading community, right? Trade Nation Unity, want access to that, all you have to do, I'm going to put it up here, because I do it every week. I'm going to make it a little bigger for you. All you got to do is text I want in to 404-579-9910. That's it. So if you want access to these scanners, right, to our personal team trainings, this is all you got to do. Text I want in, and then let me know who actually referred you, and we got you. Okay. So that's all for today. Just to recap, what we went over last week is how to match colors and profit. Then we went over this week on how to look at an arrow and create some profit. Very simple. So if you haven't already, make sure you download their free app called MetaTrader 4. Okay, free app called MetaTrader 4. And then once you are ready and you're like, hey, I really want to learn this, Keish, make sure you text I want in with the person that referred you to this video to this particular phone number. All right, so that is all for today. I wish you all a blessed, prosperous, and wonderful rest of the day. And I will see you on the next episode of Keish Money Vibes. Dream cars, right? Because it got to be a dream, but you got to be able to touch it. You got to be able to feel it. You got to be able to smell it, because it's coming to you, whatever it is. So whatever it is that you're dreaming for and hoping for and wishing for, go out there and find it. Find a picture of it. Not very many, unless you own Toshiba, LG, and those type of things, right? If not, your TV and that Netflix and Hulu or that cable is not making you money. It's better off. Look at this.
Yeah. You saw when it was in the middle line, you don't want to trade, right? You don't want to put in there because you don't know which one is going to go up or down. So you can go to another one.
How old are you, Dravis?
14.
14?
Yep.
If anytime it's in the middle, I want to put buy or sell, because you'll never know what's mystery. So a new thing that I call it, in the middle, I call it a mystery buy. So in the middle, you don't know what about it. Yeah. Okay. So then basically, so they have like every time frame, like 15 minutes. I go between minutes.
Alright, so I got you. Let me share my screen. So I can be showing both of you all. So you see my screen?